Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and this is the FX Rundown. Another day higher for the dollar index. What we saw yesterday, last night, Fed Chair Powell upbeat on the economy, Fed Governor Quarles as well. That got the ball rolling a little bit, but really it was on the heels of the bad factory orders number for Germany yesterday, a poor industrial production, and then a huge whiff for Spanish industrial production. So the Eurozone reduced their growth forecast, and again, that pressed the euro lower. The euro is pounding against a major three-star support level. Now, you also have a trend line from the continuous chart from the lows that comes in against today's lows. So there is a lot of support down here, but again, if you're looking at only the March contract, this you have to remember that there is lower price action in the December contract and higher price action in the December contract for the dollar index. So for the dollar index, it makes 96.40 a crucial level several times over. It pressed that, it did not close out above there, but watch that level. You're seeing the dollar index test a crucial area to the upside, and the euro test a crucial area to the downside. Very pivotal where we close tomorrow. Tonight we have St. Louis Fed President Bullard speaking at 6:30 p.m. Central Time. He is a voting member, and then on top of that we have an RBA policy meeting out of Australia. So we'll talk about the Australian dollar, and really its sake over the week on projections that they could cut rates. The governor Lowe, he spoke earlier in the week, and again, we talked about this yesterday. It's having tied to mortgage rates rising. What we're going to see today, though, is that rate cut already priced in, and if they cut rates, are we actually going to see a rally? Or maybe if they don't cut rates, we rally anyways. But what we do know is the Aussie dollar is testing against our major three-star support level, 70.82, and a close below there, we have called a close below there a failure. So remember that and keep that in mind. Now, on top of that, you have weakness in the broader equity markets and risk sentiment. So that's also weighing on the Aussie dollar. It's going to be tough for the Aussie to rally if we're seeing continued weakness in equity markets. The Asian markets, there are a lot of them are on holidays, but the Nikkei finished down. The future is down over 300 points today. So keep all of that in mind. More of another risk sentiment contract is the Canadian dollar, and that finished down more than half a penny today. You have jobs data out of Canada tomorrow, so watch that. It's also at a crucial level. We have that level in the FX rundown earlier in the week, a major three-star support level that it is facing, and a close below there would also cause a failure. Now, lastly, to the yen. The yen did see ground being held today despite the dollar strength, and that is with safe haven demand. You saw the treasuries push higher on the session, and the yen tried to do so as well, but that dollar strength did hold it back a little bit. We like to get against this support, but what we do want to see is a close back above about 91.60 in order to really neutralize that weakness. Give us a call. We're here to help. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us at info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.